is Kritika and I make videos related to food. Since it's Independence Day, I thought of sharing something around the theme of Independence Day, and I thought of reviewing a product that is the Sunfeast Yippee Tricolor Pasta in the flavor creamy corn. It looks something like this. So I've already reviewed one of its variant in the past, and I guess that was in the masala variant, and today I have this creamy corn pasta flavor with me, and I'm really excited to try this one to see if this is something different than that. So if you haven't checked out that review of mine and you would want to know how that pasta actually is, then I would leave the link for that review in the description box below so you can check it out there. And without any further ado, let's get started with the review video of this product. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So as we all know, this comes from the Sunfeast family, and Sunfeast has some amazing cookies and biscuits option. Sunfeast Yippee has also some noodles option, and they are doing good in the market. So the basic idea behind this pasta is that this is tricolored pasta. So the pasta in this packet comes in 3 shades, and that is orange, green and the normal pasta. And this is basically created to create an excitement amongst kids, because kids like to have colorful food. So they say that it has natural added colors of veggies to color the pasta, but I'm not really sure about that fact, so I won't vouch for it. And apart from that, they say that this is a tricolor instant pasta. This is fun, tasty and has goodness into this, and this is just a 2-step pasta. I'll also be showing you how I make this pasta and the step-by-step procedure of making this. This retails for ₹25 and has 91 grams of product in it. I think this is sufficient for at least one child, if not adult. You can get this one easily in any grocery store or supermarket, or even online on Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket. This is quite easily available everywhere. So let's get into my kitchen where we'll see how this is made. So guys, let's get started with making our Yippee Tricolor Pasta. The instructions for making this pasta is given on the packet itself. This is a ready to make pasta, so this is gonna be a very easy recipe. So we'll start by opening the packet first. So we'll see that there's just one taste maker inside this packet, and the remaining are all different tri-colored pasta. So they look something like this. Now we're gonna switch on the flame and add 2 cups of water to the pan. Then open the taste maker and empty it out in the pan. Give this a nice mix so that no lumps are remaining. Once the water comes to boil, add the tricolor pasta to it. Now we have to wait for approximately 5 to 10 minutes for this excess water to dry out completely. You can keep stirring this occasionally. Yes, let the water boil out. It looks something like this after half boiled. Just one last minute of boiling this. And our pasta is done. This should be the final consistency of the pasta. Now let's serve it in a bowl. This is what our tricolor creamy corn pasta looks like. So guys, I have this piping hot tricolor pasta with me. So let's just taste it and I'll tell you how it tastes exactly. So guys, this one is creamy. You can actually feel the cream in it. It also smells a lot like dairy. So yeah, it is creamy. It has corn pieces into it, and it's very mild in taste, like very mild. So it's very low on spices, salt, and all of the spicy spices. So being an adult, I'm not a very big fan of this pasta, and I would not recommend any other adult to have it either. But I definitely believe that kids might love it, since this is so mild in taste, and since it's so low on spices, kids are definitely going to enjoy it, and they're also going to enjoy that tricolored theme that it has. So you can definitely try it for your child, but I would not recommend adults to try this. So based on the flavors and all of the things, I would definitely give this one a 2.5 stars. The extra 0.5 stars is for the creaminess that it has, and it actually makes the pasta taste better. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below how did you like today's video, and if you would want me to review any other product for you guys. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked this one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.